Welcome to this video on Pink Radish Microgreens, the vibrant powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. This professional guide is for home cooks, nutritionists, and restaurants. Our brand identity is based on 3 colors. Nature green represents growth and organic roots. Vibrant pink is inspired by the striking stems of our radish variety. Pure white symbolizes clarity and elegance. We will cover the definition of microgreens, the pink radish story, health and culinary benefits, nutrient comparison, and finally, how to consume and store them, including ordering information. Microgreens are the young seedlings of edible vegetables and herbs. Harvested at their peak, between 7 to 14 days, they contain up to 40 times more nutrients than mature leaves, along with concentrated flavor and visual appeal. Our pink radish variety, Raphanus sativus, comes from heritage Asian seeds. They are chosen for their striking color and crisp texture. We grow them in controlled environments to ensure a consistent, peppery bite year-round. The pink radish microgreen is characterized by a peppery bite, featuring a controlled, clean, spicy heat. They are fresh, with earthy undertones and a garden-fresh aroma. They offer a satisfying crisp crunch from their firm pink stems. Pink radish is one of the fastest varieties, taking 6 to 10 days to peak. At Green Nest, we harvest on day 8 for the ideal balance of spiciness and tenderness. We exclusively use purified water and organic media, ensuring no pesticides. Pink radish microgreens offer several benefits. They are rich in vitamin C and E for health. Culinarily, they are the chef's secret for visual pop and zing. They are also eco-friendly, using 95% less water than mature radish crops. Comparing the nutrition profile to standard lettuce and spinach, pink radish microgreens are exceptional. They provide high levels of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, and are an exceptional source of antioxidants. Pink radish microgreens have a significantly higher vitamin C concentration, approximately 140 milligrams per 100 grams. This is much greater than spinach at 28 milligrams and iceberg lettuce at only 3 milligrams. Let's move on to culinary inspiration for elevating both professional and home kitchens using pink radish microgreens. Kickstart your day by sprinkling a handful over breakfast dishes like poha or egg tostadas. The spicy heat cuts through the richness, and a pro tip is to add them at the very end to keep the crunch alive. Pink radish microgreens can replace spicy spreads in wraps and sandwiches. Layer them in paneer wraps or turkey sandwiches for a cleaner flavor profile and 100% more visual appeal than traditional lettuce. These microgreens act as a wasabi alternative for seafood and sushi pairings. Chefs use them with sashimi and grilled fish for peppery notes and a complex, leafy flavor. For Indian cuisine, pink radish microgreens are the perfect finishing touch. Instead of just coriander, use them to garnish yellow dal or butter chicken. The vibrant pink stems look stunning against the golden hues of Indian spices. For detox smoothies, add a half cup for a liquid vitality boost. The compounds aid liver detoxification, while vitamin C boosts immunity. Pair them with apple or pineapple to balance the spice. Replace thick lettuce with pink radish microgreens in gourmet burgers for a crunch without the bulk. They offer a tighter, more refined crunch and a flavor that cuts through fat. Pink radish raita uses the stems for a pink swirl and the leaves for zest. For parathas, use them as a topping for a temperature contrast, avoiding wilt. Garnish chaat for crunch and a high-end visual. For storage and shelf life, keep them dry and do not wash until consumption. Store them in the main fridge shelf with a dry paper towel in the box. This ensures 7 to 10 days of shelf life at 4 degrees Celsius. Ordering is simple. Step 1. Message us by sending HI on WhatsApp to the number shown. Step 2. We harvest fresh on the day of delivery. Step 3. Enjoy doorstep delivery in peak vitality. Our modern packaging is retail ready. We offer both BPA-free clamshells and compostable fiber boxes, giving you sustainable and safe options for your consumers. Our green practices ensure a sustainable product. We use triple-filtered purified water, organic growing media like cocoa peat, and operate with a zero-waste policy, composting soil media after every harvest. We adhere to high-quality standards for safety. We follow strict clean room protocols with controlled humidity and temperature to prevent bacteria. Our harvesting and packing zones meet HACCP equivalent hygiene levels. Here is a testimonial from Executive Chef Anand of Saffron Bistro, highlighting the visual appeal and consistent quality of our microgreens. Dr. Kavita, a holistic nutritionist, also shares her testimonial, recommending Pink Radish Microgreens for the high folate and vitamin C content they offer to her detox clients. Frequently asked questions. No, do not cook them, as it destroys enzymes. Use them as a cold finish. The spice is a peppery zing, similar to arugula. Yes, we suggest a light rinse just before eating. More FAQs. We supply bulk orders in 500-gram and 1-kilogram bags for commercial kitchens. Lead time for home delivery is 24 to 48 hours. Delivery is free on subscriptions and orders above 500 rupees. Elevate your health. Order now by messaging us at 797-247-5135 for the latest price list and delivery zones. Here is a powerful brand philosophy statement. It's time to choose concentrated nutrients and vibrant flavors.